Hello everyone, my name is Adita Brahmin and I am a mother and a lawyer. So let's check out how my day begins and how it ends. Mama, do you know how many consumer rights are there to protect the consumer? Huh? Oh my god, my child is growing up very fast. I don't know, child. Can you tell how many consumer rights are there and what are they? Actually, I know. What you said in the last, Mama? No, nothing, my child. Never mind. Start answering. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 confers the six following rights to consumers with a view to empowering them to fight against any exploitative and unfair trade practices adopted by the sellers and to promote and protect their interests. Mm-hmm. First is right to safety. The consumer has a right to be protected against goods and services which are hazardous to life and health. For instance, electrical appliances which are manufactured with substandard products or do not conform to the safety norms might cause serious injuries. Thus, consumers are educated that they should use electrical appliances which are ISI marked, as they would be an assurance of such products meeting quality specifications. Second is the right to be informed. The consumer has a right to have complete information about the product he or she intends to buy, including its ingredients, date of manufacture, price, quantity, directions for use, etc. It is because of this reason that the legal framework in India requires the manufacturers to provide such information on the package. Number third is right to choose. The consumer has the freedom to choose from a variety of products at competitive prices. This implies that the marketers should offer a wide variety of products in terms of quality, brand, prices, size, etc., and allow the consumer to make a choice from amongst them. Number 4. The right to be heard. The consumer has a right to file a complaint and to be heard in case of dissatisfaction with a good or a service. It is because of this reason that many enlightened business firms have set up their own customer services and grievance cells to redress the problems and grievances of their customers. Number 5. Right to seek redressal. Consumer has a right to get reliefs in case the product or services have fallen short of his expectations. The Consumer Protection Act provides a number of reliefs to the consumers. Um, like, oh my god, I just forgot. Like removal of defect in goods or deficiencies in services, replacement of defective products with a new one, compensation paid for any loss or injury suffered by the consumer due to negligence of the seller, etc. How do you know, Mama, this? Oh, I guess you would have read my book. Okay, let me continue with the sixth one is right to consumer education. The consumer has a right to acquire knowledge and to be well informed consumer throughout life. He should be brave about his rights and the reliefs available to him in case of a product or service falling short of his expectations. Now, Mama, I am gonna tell you the consumer responsibilities. You should be following it while purchasing or consuming anything like goods and services. While purchasing, be aware about the various goods and services available. Buy only standardized goods. Read labels carefully. Be honest in your dealings. ensure a fair deal, ask for a cash memo. While using or consuming any goods and services, learn about the risks associated, file a complaint in case of dissatisfaction, respect the environment from consumer societies. I guess now you would be able to understand these all rights and responsibilities. I hope you would be following it. Oh my god, thank you so much, my child, for making me understand the rights that I have and even the responsibilities that I have while purchasing and consuming any of the goods and services. I will surely follow them. Oh, she's so innocent. Well, my child, I'm now leaving, and I expect that you are studying at home when I'm not here and even taking care of yourself. I will be seeing you soon, my child, in the evening. Good morning, Miss Sanvi. Myself, Adita Brahman, and I'm your lawyer. Please have a seat. Thank you. So, tell me why you are filing this case. Last month, I bought many electric devices for my showroom from Xavier Electronics. Now, some of them are not working, and some of them made damage to my property and caused serious accidental issues for my staff and for customers. When I contacted with the company, they refused to refund the money and to pay for the accidents that happened. Now, I want to sue the company off. Okay, ma'am. Now, please tell the amount of goods that have been damaged and even the amount that has to be paid by the company for the accidents caused by their products because there is a three-level redressal machinery. They entertain different amounts at the different levels. It's up to 2 crore. Oh, ma'am, please don't cry. If the consumer court is satisfied about the genuineness of our complaint, it can issue one or more of the following directions to the opposite party, like to remove the defects in the products or the deficiencies in the services in the question, and even it can replace the goods and to return the price money is also possible to pay the compensation to the consumer for any loss or injury suffered by their products, etc., etc., etc. We will be winning this case. I hope so. Let's have faith. Thank you.